In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on TikTok without showing your face or recording your voice using this 2022 brand new strategy that no one is talking about. It's going to absolutely blow your mind on how easy it is to do. If you look at this account that's actually implementing the strategy, you can see that they are getting millions of monthly views, and I'm going to show you how they are monetizing these views and making thousands of dollars in commissions every single day. Now, what's crazy about this strategy is that you can literally make multiple streams of income using this strategy, like monetizing your TikTok account with affiliate products and closing sponsorship deals. So you can really see that the potential is absolutely huge. Now, the best part is that anyone can do it even if you have $0 in your bank account. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create these simple faceless videos in a matter of minutes, so you can directly go out there after watching this video and start making money yourself. Now, before I hop into my computer, I've prepared a giveaway for you, and I will be giving away my latest affiliate marketing course with coaching. Now, this course will teach you how to go from $0 to $10,000 per month as a complete beginner. Now, this course is normally priced at $497, but you can get it 100% for free. All you have to do is smash the like button below, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below what you liked about this video in particular, and leave a timestamp of the part that you found the most valuable. And I will announce the winner in the next couple of days in the comment section down below. So now that we have everything out of the way, let's hop right into my computer. Okay, so step number one is head over to TikTok, and I'm going to show you guys how these huge Instagram accounts are creating simple videos just like you can see on screen, and are getting millions of monthly views, and more importantly, making thousands of dollars monetizing this type of content. Now, this is only going to take like 10 or 15 minutes of your time to create a video just like this, and as I said, you don't have to record your face or record your voice. So anyone can do this, and there's absolutely no excuses. So as you can see, this is an account called Billionaire Mindset, and they are posting videos from interviews, snippets, motivational content, and business tips and tricks. So as you can see, when I click on this video, this is Andrew Tate from one of the interviews he has done on YouTube. And this TikTok account basically just grabbed the snippet from the interview, right? They downloaded the video from YouTube and they chopped it up into small segments, and they uploaded it to their TikTok account, and they added on-screen text, as you can see right here. So all of this is very, very easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do this in just a second. Now, they are making money and monetizing their content in a couple of ways. So with this type of account, you can make money by promoting affiliate products, okay? So you can send people to your funnel, right? You can add your link right here, or you can make money by doing sponsorship videos for other companies and brands. Because once you grow your account to, let's just say 10,000, 15, 20,000 followers, which is easy to do, by the way, companies and brands are going to reach out to you and pay you, let's just say $100, $200, or $300 to create a video for them. So this is very, very powerful. Now, this is just one example. Let me show you another example, which is, let's just do keto diet, okay? Because I know a lot of you guys are in the keto diet niche. So let me do this one. So as you can see, keto diet for everyone. Now, this is an account that creates or basically re-uploads cooking content. Now, with this type of niche, the sky's the limit, because there's millions, if not more, recipes that you can upload to your TikTok account. And all they are doing is, once again, they're either creating these themselves, or you can leverage YouTube once again and grab YouTube cooking videos, chop them up, and add on-screen text and what goes inside the recipe, okay? So this is also very powerful. And once again, as you can see, they are promoting, let's see, okay, this is a ClickBank product. So as you can see, they are monetizing these views, 20,000 views, 36,000 views, 28,000 views, and they are sending them to their affiliate product, okay? So every time someone finds their videos valuable, they're going to click on this link, purchase, and this account is going to make a commission. And in this video, my goal is going to be to show you how to create these types of videos, where to find products, and how to get thousands of views on your videos and potentially go viral. So first of all, head over to canva.com. Okay, let me close this real quick. And this is a free website that we're gonna leverage to create our videos in. So once again, this is 100% free, so you don't have to pay for anything. And you want to search for TikTok video. Okay, so TikTok video. And let's start from blank. Okay, create a blank template. So as you can see, this is our timeline. We have a 5-second timeline. I'm going to show you how to use this in just a second. But first of all, what you want to do is you want to create the actual video. So once you have your niche, whether you're going to be in the cooking niche, in the keto diet niche, or the motivational niche, I'm going to show you how to create a, let's do relationship niche. Okay, so I'm going to search for a relationship account. Let's just do this one. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to create these types of videos. So this is another great niche to jump into, the relationship and spirituality niche. Okay, so you can also promote lots of ClickBank products or Digistore products in the relationship niche. So I'm going to show you how to create these types of videos. Okay, so as you can see, when you click on it, this is a quote or some type of motivational text or emotional type video, and I'm going to show you how to create these type of videos. So all you have to do is go over to Canva, and now you want to add a background template video. So as you can see in these videos, they are using, this is a rainy forest video, this is like countryside video for the background, this is a beach for the background. So all you have to do is go over to Canva, and you can search in the templates. Let's do beach. Okay, and as you can see, when you click on it, let's import. We can move this away and click on play. We can also remove this. As you can see, this is awesome. We can also make it a bit longer. Let's do 10 seconds. Okay, let's do 10 seconds. All right, when you click on play, you can see this is a footage from a drone that's recording a beach. Okay, so you can use this video as your background video. Now to add on-screen text and to find really content ideas for your videos, you can just open a new tab on Google, right, and search for relationship quotes, something like this, and click on images. And here you have millions of quotes that you can directly use yourself in your content strategy. So let's just do something like this. Okay, so find joy in everything you choose to do. Every job, relationship, home, it's your responsibility to love it or change it. Okay, so you can do something like this, or you can go to all and open a blog with quotes. Okay, so 150 best relationship quotes, and you can use one of these. Okay, so it's completely up to you where you find these quotes. So for this video, I'm gonna do this quote as an example. So treasure your relationships, not your possessions. So you can go back to Canva, and you can, first of all, you want to add a rectangle. Okay, I'm going to show you why in just a second. Add a rectangle. You can make it fit the screen, just like this. Okay, click on it. Make sure to change it to black and also the transparency. So click on the 3 dots up here. Here you have transparency, and turn it down to 50 or 60 or something like this. Okay, and now you can add the text. So click on text on the left side right here, click on add heading, and I like to use the font called Poppins. Okay, so I'm gonna drag this up. I'm gonna change it to Poppins. You can do this as well. So Poppins, and I'm gonna change the color to white. Okay, so now all we have to do is change the font size to 50 and copy the quote. Okay, so now you can click on the rectangle once you have the text. Now this is a bit short. I want you guys to find a longer quote. Okay, so the video isn't too short, and you can also change the transparency to a bit more so it's a bit more transparent. So maybe like 75. Okay, and now you can click on the text, add animation, and do typewriter. Okay, I'm gonna change this to, let's just do 6 seconds. 6 seconds is good. Okay, so when you click on play, you can see treasure your relationships and not your possessions. So we can also click on copy and paste, and you can add your Damien Belak down here, or whatever your TikTok account is called. Okay, so down here, and I'm going to turn it to, let's do black. Okay, just like this. Now if you want to add background music, I suggest adding trendy sounds directly from TikTok. So you can just click on it and look at the sound that they are using. Okay, find the sound, download it on YouTube and add it in the background here. Or you can go from Canva and just search for it here. Okay, if you want to do like motivational. Okay, and you can do the first one. Now you want to turn the background music down a bit, so click on the actual audio and click on this icon and turn it down to 50. Okay, and now you can see when you click on play, there's your nice looking video. Now this took me like 2 minutes to create, but make sure to spend a bit more time in Canva and find a better quote. This is a bit too short, so guys, make sure to find a good quote, longer. And also you can also model these type of videos, so you can just watch them. What I like to do is I like to copy the viral ones. Okay, so as you can see, this one has 33,000 followers. So all I would do is I would make a similar video to this. Okay, so how to make any guy obsessed with you, and just basically model it or copy it. You can just change the background or change the editing. All right, whatever you like. Now, once you have your video, you can save it. So click on share and click on download. Okay, download the video as an MP4 video. And I'm going to show you right now how to monetize this type of content so you can start making commissions. And then once you grow your account, close those brand deals and start making sponsorship, start making money from sponsorship videos. All right, so now once your video has been downloaded, I'm going to show you how to monetize your content in your niche. So head over to a new tab and go to clickbank.com. Now ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace with hundreds of affiliate products in multiple different niches. So you can directly sign up for free and choose a product that you're going to monetize your TikTok account with. All right, so click on sign up. If you don't have an account already, I'm going to log in for you guys. So head over to the affiliate marketplace up here. Okay, and now on the left side, you can see your categories. So I have created a video in the relationship niche. So if that's something you're going to be doing, just search for relationship or dating or something like that, a product similar to your niche. So spirituality, you can do this. Okay, so wealth manifestation offer taking the market by storm, you can do this offer. Soulmate sketch, TikTok and social media monster. So this would be a perfect video for me to convert on my TikTok account. So as you can see, this is the top 15 ClickBank offers for 1.5 years. It is converting like crazy on TikTok and Facebook. It has a solid 5% conversion on cold traffic. So every time you send 100 visitors to this offer, about 5 people are going to convert. So all you have to do is click on promote. Okay, and here is your default landing page. You can preview it in a new window. So this is the landing page. Okay, and when you click on create hop link, this is your actual affiliate link. Now what I recommend is to create a landing page and start collecting emails so you can follow up with them later on and make even more sales. But if you don't want to do that and if you're lazy, you can just create a brand new landing page in like 5 minutes with Linktree, okay, with this website. So this is a landing page builder that you can use for free as well. And you can create a quick landing page with Linktree. So I'm going to log in. I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, once you have a new account, click on appearance. And you want to fill in all your information right here. So your username, your picture, your bio, and basically also your themes. You can choose a theme. So if you want to do like Neuer or Mint, you can change that as well. So make sure to fill out all this information, your image, your bio, and your theme. Then go to links, and here you can add your link to the landing page. So click on add new and add your title. So I like to do the offer name. So you can do something like this. You can click on it, you can view the landing page, and you can copy and paste, are you ready to finally meet your true soulmate? Okay, and then add it as a title right here, and add your affiliate link URL directly here. So click on promote, once again create a hop link and copy it and paste it inside here. So now when you click on your landing page up here and you click on preview, you can see this is your landing page. Took me like 2 minutes to create. And when you click on this link, it's going to be redirected to the actual affiliate offer from ClickBank. Every time someone goes on this page, watches this video, purchases the product, you're going to make a $20 commission. So this is how you can monetize your TikTok account using affiliate marketing. Now this account is making a big mistake that they are not monetizing their content, and the reasons why they are not monetizing their content because they don't know how to monetize their TikTok account, and they are not aware of affiliate marketing. So this account has a huge potential to make potentially thousands of dollars per day, but they are not utilizing affiliate marketing, okay? So imagine how many views they're getting, like 30,000 here, 20,000. Basically every single video they're getting tens of thousands of views. So imagine how many link clicks they would get and how many sales they would get. All right, so this is how you monetize your content with affiliate marketing. So all you have to do is choose your niche, choose your product, and start creating videos on a daily basis. Now what I like to do as well to find content ideas is to model success after bigger accounts in my niche. So if you're going to be in the weight loss niche, okay, so find 5 bigger accounts in your niche and model their videos. Not copy, but make similar ones, okay? So I would copy this one, all right? I would model this one because it's doing better. I would model this one. So that is the secret to making money online with TikTok without showing your face and without recording your voice, utilizing affiliate marketing and sponsorship deals. Now, once you have an account, once you start growing, you get 5,000 followers, 10,000 followers, 15,000 followers, then companies are gonna reach out to you and they're gonna pay you to create videos for them, all right? So this is how you make multiple streams of income with TikTok. Now, if you found this video valuable, then make sure to click the first link below and grab my free guide on how to go from $0 to $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing. You're gonna find it super helpful. And by the way, it's completely free, so you have nothing to lose. So make sure to click the first link below and grab that right now. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.